Love the idea of building your own robot, but feel intimidated by bulky, expensive controllers? Most beginners get stuck before they even write their first line of code, because setting up the hardware feels like rocket science. Today, we're fixing that. We're going to show you how to prep this $4 powerhouse, the Raspberry Pi Pico board. This board will simplify robotic work and enhance your knowledge and experience. Raspberry Pi Pico will be brain of our robot. It runs on Raspberry Pi's custom-designed RP2040 chip. Need to connect hardware? You get 26 programmable GPIO pins. That is enough to plug in sensors, drive motors, LEDs, and red displays all at once. It supports MicroPython for beginners. You can prepare Raspberry Pi Pico board 10 minutes for coding in Python. Let's dive in. First of all, we need to get our Raspberry Pi Pico board ready. To do this, we need to flash a firmware onto it. For downloading the firmware, let's head over to the MicroPython page on the official Raspberry Pi website. Here is the web page. As soon as you navigate here and scroll down, you will find the latest version of the firmware. Currently, the latest version is version 1.27.0. It's a tiny file, just about 660 kilobytes. While it's downloading, you'll find it landing right in your downloads folder. Now, here is what we need to do next. Press and hold the boot select button on your Raspberry Pi Pico board, plug the USB cable into your laptop, and then release the button. The moment you release the button, a storage volume named RPIRP2 will automatically pop up on your screen. Now, all we have to do is take this downloaded file, which has a UF2 extension, and drag and drop it right into that folder. As soon as we drop it, look here, the flashing process begins. As the programming is complete, folder has automatically disappeared. Next up, we need to download Thonny IDE. The URL is thonny.org, and I'll drop the link in the video description box below. The installer file is quite lightweight, only about 21 megabytes. Let's download the Thonny IDE installer for Windows OS. This installer is only of 22.4 megabytes. Now, let's install Thonny IDE. To start the installation, simply double-click the installer, and the setup wizard is started. Installation process is simple, just keep clicking on Next button. Alright, Thonny IDE is installed. As we open it up, you'll see at the bottom right corner that it automatically detects our board. We will use MicroPython for coding. Here is our code. First, let's save our source code and name it as led.py. The Pico board has an onboard inbuilt LED, and we are going to turn it on. To control it, we will use the pin function from the machine module. Since we want to control the onboard LED, we initialize LED here and assign it to an LED variable. Now, to turn the LED on, we just need to pass a high state, so we write led.value as 1. This should turn our LED on. Our program is ready. Let's execute it. Go to the top menu. Click on Run, then run current script. And there you go. As you can see, our onboard LED is now on. Now, if you want to turn the LED off, we will set led.value as 0. Let's run the script again. The LED is now off. If we want to turn LED back on, Change it back to 1. Go to Run. Let run current script again. And here it is, the LED is on again. We have successfully set up our development board. This is MicroPython code to turn LED on. And MicroPython code to turn LED off. This is just the starting point. From here, we will scale up to connecting motors, interfacing various sensors, building robotic vision, and designing robotic arms. We are going to build all of that right here. If you found this LED setup episode helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.